My name is Josué Alonso López Ochoa. The country and Russia. The country they travel world into Russia. I like its culture. I like this ideology and this architecture of building and this story. Tradition. Russia tradition are part of the colorful Russia culture that's attraction millionaire of visitor to the country every years. Russian New Year, Christmas, Siapti Russian Christmas, Maleniska, Easter, Victory Day, Russian Winter Festival, Russian Name Day, Tour Praise, Kremlin, Moscow, Red Square, Basil Cathedral, Hermitage Museum, St. Petersburg Palace, Kazan Cathedral. Food. Borscht beet are one of the ingredients that are always present in Russian food, and soup is one of the most famous dishes. Karbay, it is the most exquisite snack you can eat and more if it's of Russian original, solyanka, Russian salad, sushi, otoshka, pelmeni. Music. Music in Russia is classical too, and Christian is sacred. Are rock example? Bees Hostel, Kremlin Moscow, Red Square, Basic Cathedral, Hermitage Museum. Thank you. Bye.